the holes aren't lining up. I don't know if it's because this was a bench seat and they didn't think of people who had bench seats, but it's not lining up, and I knew this was gonna happen. There wasn't gonna be a hole there, so I'll have to tap that. But kind of a bummer, but figure it out. So I found right here, there's this little piece there, you pull it back and it looks like where there's another existing spot. It doesn't have the part where you can drill in, so I'm just gonna have to drill through a nut or something like that, but at least there's a spot for it. So I just tapped a new hole right there, that should work. And then I cut into right here, and there is a existing hole. Can't really see it. There we go. Existing hole right there, so that should work. Sweet. So I found the problem why it wasn't fitting directly. As you can see, this isn't straight across, it bends down. So I'm not sure if that happened there or during shipping, but I'm gonna try and straighten it out before I call them and deal with all that fun stuff. Okay, so one thing I don't like about this is there's not a passageway through these seats. I've tried on each side, just on the passenger side. On the driver, went in fine, both sides cut. On the passenger side, no holes whatsoever, so I'm gonna have to cut it myself, which it's not that big of a deal, but when you spend the money on something, it's like, I don't really want to do that, but it's what it is. What I do like about these seats, you do sit up higher. They are very comfortable. They grip you pretty nicely. It is kind of weird getting in and out, but that's just something you get used to. They seem nice and sturdy. They are a suspension seat, and I mean, this is a straight axle 86 Toyota, so it's pretty bouncy regardless. But I mean, I guess it feels a little bit better. But anyways, they look good, they feel good, and I'm ready to see what it's like out on the trail. All right. Another thing is, I do like that it's not the bench seat anymore. That bench seat was crazy uncomfortable. I don't know, whoever had it before, it was just like their back was dipped in, and these are all nice, and they look like they're leaning back, but they're not. They're positioned really well. And another thing that's good is now it's empty right there. which gives me incentive to do my dual cases. Hopefully that's the next thing. That and a front locker. Even though I like the classic look of the old school seats, the new Corbeau seats are definitely way better, and I could probably sell these for like $1,500 on Marketplace. I know what I have.